right, so today is July 27th, 2026. It's currently like 7:30 in the morning. I've been home for like half an hour, give or take. I got off work at 6. Was on the bus by 6:17, home by, well, realistically 6:45. Doing this recording later than I wanted to, for the simple fact that I was working on the bike. Yeah, I finally got a tool and replaced the tube on the tire. By the way, this is what punctured it. I ran over a nail. So awesome. It's up, it's back up and back together. So I'm happy with that. I could stop taking the bus again. That was obnoxious. Um, but yeah, so I got the battery charging for the bike. Got the tire back on after trying to figure out how to get it back on. It's been a while since I've had to deal with multi speeds and a derailleur. Um, so it's currently what, Monday morning, and I got home from work. A What to say about that? Um, a lot to say about that actually. Got so work was a pain in the ass. Truck didn't show up till like 11. Got unloaded by 11:30, and I'm running around like a madman till 1:30, where I had promptly killed the solid pallet, the wet wall pallets, the solid pallets. So there was three. Not They weren't huge. I got it down to a quarter of a pallet off of three, and that's with two pick carts. Um, it was 17 total pallets, 11 which were work, uh, workable. Six of them were watermelon, one was bananas, and I worked out with like, technically speaking, I walked out with six pallets. I left them one for RPCs because the RPC pallet was just as tall as I was, and I'm like, I'm not adding more to this. And I had more to add. But hopefully, with me doing what I did, I don't have to do another RPC palette. So I don't know. I was done before the morning crew even showed up. But I also busted some serious ass to get it done. Um, it was daunting. It was annoying. But I also took some shortcuts that actually helped me out in the long run. Like I would prep myself up to get it done by sitting there just cleaning up and rotating and shoving as much shit out as I can for Monday. I left a bunch, but they also watch the cams. They could see me just poop, 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 literally popping up out of nowhere. Like I was on fire. So, but anyways, before that, even I was working on the web page, the website, and I was using the AI as well, and it made me a script, and I'm about to implement it. Uh, I want to implement it because, oh, well, I already implemented the script. They want to implement the website already to the computer. Um, the script was I built that it gave me was through Python, and it was to create a folder system, and I have it all for the metalcore already, and I want to kind of copy it and paste it, and then throw the website at it. But I'm not done building the music section, like not even close. I am done with the metalcore section, and I think I'm done with the. I'm not done with it, but I'm done building the file system, the file tree, I should say. and I'm pretty close to finishing off the post-hardcore section or tree. And I wanted to create me another script to where it'll go through the file system and add the base page, because I'm only doing one, maybe 2 pages. Well, no, I'm gonna have to dive deeper than that. I'm doing song lyrics. Uh, I'm adding. I want to add. I want to copy one page, one HTML for the landing page, and just dump it. And I think I can, but we'll figure it out after you eat because I'm fucking starving. I'm tired and I can feel it, but I also want to lay down. So I think realistically, that'll be something I'll work on over the weekend if I get a full weekend. Is just get the page up how I want it and just run the script to where it copies that one page and just data dumps it. Um, but yeah, I'm just happy to have the bike back up and running. Taking 45 minutes to an hour to get home, or on Sundays, an hour. Um, Take me back down to half hour, 20 minutes, half hour. It's like 17 minutes to work and 20 minutes home because work's downhill and the home's uphill. So got that, got the bike back up and running, and I'm happy. So I just need to find some twist ties and add one before I forget again. Because yeah, I had to cut a twist tie for the motor so I could actually take it off, bring it over here, get the tire back on. So, and I got the tire up to like 44 pounds of pressure, which apparently is its minimum. And I was running at 34, so whoops. Um, so yeah, while I'm uploading this, I think I'm gonna start dinner, which is gonna be pizza and breadsticks again. So, and then I think I'm gonna pump up the front tire the rest of the way and see where we go from there. So I don't know what else to say. So I shall catch you all tomorrow. Later.